What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Good morning. Just wanted to show you guys a typical drive down this road to drop off the kiddos to school, right guys? Look how beautiful the sky is, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Hope you guys are having a great day. Just wanted to share this with you all. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let me take some pictures. Yeah, it's awesome. I wish I could go live, but I know the signal is not too good. Alright guys? Say hi guys. What's excited about today? Lockdown drill? Oh. That is so cool. Alright guys. Oh, look at the sky over there. Oh my god, let me continue as long as I can. You know what? I better stop because there's a lot of police around the school. Right guys? Yeah, okay. Alright guys. Peace. What's up guys? It's your boy Robert here. We got Erica. What's up Erica? We are vlogging right next to Kapaa Elementary School. Erica's car died out in the middle of the street over here earlier today, and she said she had like so many people come and help out. So thank you very much whoever stopped by. Alright Erica, say thank you to all those people.
Thank you.
Yeah, and helped her out. You know, so all it needed was a new battery. Actually, we needed to jump it a little bit. Oh my god, my lens is totally dirty. Okay, well, what it needed was, it was stuck in drive or park. It was stuck in park. Sorry. So we couldn't, you know, it couldn't move. So what we needed to do was, you know, give it a little juice, which we did. Put in neutral. Got the car to the side. Went over to visit my brother. Over at Napa, who hooked us up with a battery real quick. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. And Erica helped me hook it up. Now she knows how to change out a battery, which everyone, especially you millennials, should know how to change a battery, guys, and how to jump a vehicle. So Erica knows both now. She learned it the hard way. All right. So yeah, we're on our way now. So Erica knows how to jump and replace a battery. Yeah, all right.
Oh, the police is helping too?
All right, what we got here, Jess?
Alright guys, I go make a fried rice.
Yeah, check this out, guys. Jess is making some fried rice action.
Yeah, baby.
Woo. You know why? Because actually, Erica messed up in cooking the rice, so we gotta modify it a little bit here.
Can I borrow the one Ethan, please?
Okay, and then Ethan boy, crack some eggs over there.
Throw on the top.
Wow, look at Ethan.
Careful,
Ethan's
be
cooking
careful.
corner right there. Look at that.
Good job. Okay, wait.
Putting in some egg action in there. Look at that. Good job, Ethan boy. Ethan's cooking corner. Good job.
There's some milk in there.
All right.
Okay.
Look at that, guys. Ooh, it's looking good. Some fried rice, man. Some fried rice.
Fried rice, man. Fried rice.
All right. So we're having some breakfast tonight, guys. So just already fried up some sausages, and we were snacking on some poke once again, guys. Check it out. Some poke.
It's a Pokemon.
Look at that, Pokemon just said.
Pokemon, mate.
Yeah, check that out. And we're drinking some vodka with Coke and a slice of lime in there, guys. And later on, your boy is gonna, I don't know which one I'm gonna sample tonight. Right here, we got the cigar on deck once again.
Hello.
Yeah.
You go in that lanai, please, because I don't like the smell.
You don't like the smell?
Oh yeah, I don't like the smell inside the house. So you go in the lanai, please.
Okay. Later on.
Okay, later on. Not in the house, please.
Not yet, Ethan boy.
No need, son. And almost done already, son. Thank you. But you mix it already, the eggs, son. So thank you.
Yeah, good job, Ethan boy. Where'd you learn how to scramble the eggs like that? From where? Where'd you learn it from?
I was just watching Mom.
Oh yeah? Okay, good. Good job. I'm very proud of you. Look at that.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Let me try. This is good.
Try it, baby. Try it. Ooh, I like it. Not bad? Not bad?
That's not bad. That's not bad.
Okay.
I need to cook it more.
Yeah, we have to blame Erica for messing up. Oh yeah, let me show you guys. Look at that. What kind of rice is that, man? She cooked. Need more water.
And means you have to do the chicken lugaw. That's why she make that.
Oh yeah?
It's ready for your chicken lugaw.
Oh, I didn't want chicken lugaw. I wanted just rice. Okay, so right there, guys, check it out.
It's almost done.
Almost
we
done,
need to
guys.
make it cool.
Look at the skills of the Bisaya right there.
Or
The
whatever.
skills of the Bisaya. Ethan and Jessie's cooking corner.
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, good job. Good job. Yeah. Bonk. Look at that. Yeah. What is that?
Okay, go like this, son.
Oh, here we go again.
Here we go again. Loser.
Loser.
Or you're the winner.
Alright.
Or whatever.
Alright, guys. So sorry I wasn't pumping out the videos on a daily basis because I've been super busy. I'm creating a slideshow for my niece's funeral. Unfortunately, it's not a good thing, but
Finish your slideshow?
yeah, I'm done. I'm done with the slideshow.
Can I see it? What look like?
Yeah,
Please.
yeah.
To make sure there's everything.
And I'll show you guys a tidbit of that slideshow later on. Oh my God, my lens. My lens is dirty. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I can show the whole thing because it has some copyrighted songs in there. But you know what? Maybe I'll just make it a separate video and not monetize it, right? Ethan boy, not monetize it. Yeah. What? Later on. So we got the Cuban rounds
I'm hungry.
right here.
I'm hungry.
We got the Cuban rounds right here. What is this? Cuban rounds exclusive, guys. On deck. Look at that, guys. Right there. Okay. Wow, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat, drink a little bit, and then I'll talk to you guys later. All right.
See ya.